Hey guys, it's Kevin. Today we're going to work on this EcoTank, which the LCD panel doesn't work. You can see when you push, nothing happens. We're from North Carolina and we work on all sorts of weird problems with the printers. If you support us, please subscribe. And here's Abby.
Hey guys, it's Abby here. So we had a faulty LCD panel where the buttons weren't working. My first thought was to go ahead and swap out that LCD panel, or to go ahead and also check on that FFC cable. Flick that little black switch up and that will release the FFC cable. I'll zoom in here and you'll be able to see that none of the pins were broken with the FFC connecting to the LCD panel. So I thought to take off the side cover and follow the FFC cable all the way back under the printer and back to the main board. I checked and the FFC cable was still plugged into the main board, so that wasn't the issue. My next thought was that it was going to be something having to do with a faulty main board. So I need to get the main board out and swap that. First, take off that scanner, and then we need to be able to take this side cover off. There'll be a screw on the bottom, and then there's going to be a screw on this other back cover. Once you take that off, you'll see the waste tank. You need to unscrew that waste tank as well and then just slide it out. One more screw and then that side cover will come out. Now you have your back top cover. That screw is under the printer there, so you just have to kind of lift it up and look, and then that should release that. Now take out your back duplexer and you should be able to stick your drill in there and unscrew the 3 screws that hold the main board in. There's also that metal piece there that will need unscrewing to release the main board as well. So 3 screws into the main board, take out the FFC cables and the other wires. I will show you where right there where I'm pointing, that is what was faulty. So when I swapped to another main board, powering it back on, it did fix the problem and my buttons were working again. So happy printing, everyone. We fixed it.